Damn, check it out. They're trying to get the cuz, you know what I'm saying? They're hella exaggerating. They brought out the chopper and it's just a meat. It's a meat. Nobody does donuts here. Yo. Ya llegaron más cuz. Oh yeah, cuz, look at my underglow. Get my cut. Don't worry, cut. I'm one of you.
Okay, my cut.
Puro tacuache do cut.
Puro tacuache do cut.
Que onda, cut? Tengo frío, cut.
Está bueno, cut.
240. Oh! Oh, the police.
Pulls us over?
Sideswipe that motherfucker. Oh yeah, cut like your headlights. Hell yeah, brother. That Honda's probably fast. Just by looking at it. C7. The cut that hosted this.
Damn, I should just be riding in the car.
That's what Willie said. It'd be cool, but I don't want to get What are you doing at work? And I was like, looking at my phone, I was like, hey, that's the one.
C7. Sweat. Hey, what the fuck?
The baddest truck right there.
Check it out, guys. My truck. Whoa, too much boost.
They're not the turbo. Get the camera, Martin.
Huh?
Oh, no, get that camera.
Damn, this was fun. Yeah.
Martin, do you want to get a video of this one and the next race and tell us the best ones? And I'll just flip it.
I need to change the battery.
Do you have it with you or no?
Park here, I'll record the car. Oh, we're doing this? Damn.
Stack this cash on the low, gotta dust these cops. We was right out there this whole night.
Dude, for real. Was it Patrick? It was that Patrick.
Oh, that's Bob got down.
He said keep it down.
You keep it down. Check out that C10 though. Oh hell yeah! Thanks.
I see found it last week.
Fucking Edgar looking at his haircut. I saw you looking at the camera.
Look at all these Edgars.
Look at all these Edgars.
Start yelling at him.
Yo, what's up, Edgar? Everybody.
Dude, everybody. You're gonna be like Edgar's day?
Hey.
Hey, are you in it now or where? Yeah, they have like 2 of them now.
Even Raymond, they would have came in the Mustang.
Look, you're in the.
Why does everybody look at the camera at the phone so fucking awkward?
Everyone is awkward. Bro, the truck scene is awkward. Trust me.
Yeah, I agree with that. What do you guys think watching this?
How much you dropped the whole car?
The most things.
Every time
Parking
they
away from the
make
Takuaches.
conversation with people besides you guys, they like look at us fucking weird. I'm like, dude, what? Like, I just want to ask you about your truck and take a picture.
I just want to take a picture of your truck, man.
Yeah, that's it. For free.
First word. Oh, I thought it was a Prius. I don't know why I thought it was a Prius. ¿Qué onda, qué? ¿Qué onda, Edgar?
Yeah, sometimes they are like on point.
The boy? Suelo, puro suelo, mom, ¿qué? Man. Slapping. Hey, style with your truck. Looking like a brother. Pull the e-brake. You heard that spool? I know you guys heard that spool.
Shows the alternator.
Yeah.
Damn, I should have recorded when they were pulling everybody over.
For real, there's not that many cops on it.
They're probably waiting outside.
Yeah, they're probably got all on that spot.
I think that's it, guys.
Brought to you by Party City
It's a party in the city.
and Petco. They actually hosted this. ¿Qué onda, qué? What the fuck is going on? I know. And it's not even the bumper.
Yeah, you just need the bumper and it'll be way faster.
Yeah. Female driven.
They're all men.
Female built and driven. Oh, what do we have here? That's me. And my truck. My boy Miguel right here. I hella want to turn it on. Should I?
Well, yeah, I want to hear.
Alright, I'm gonna turn it on, guys. Hey, they can't do shit, right?
Just don't go here. Stand turn the lights off. Leave the lights off.
Alright. It would be nice if I could open it.
Yeah, what happened to that? Did you ever open it? Your Sierra one?
Yeah. Dude, I was there for like 10 minutes.
That was crazy. I was like, that's why I don't want to put.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's a baby.
Nah, it's fine. I'll do it later. It's fine. So I was about to rev the fuck out my truck with long tubes and open headers. And there's a baby right there. So I won't do that. Later. Sheesh. Check this shit out. They're getting all the cuts. Look at that. Damn, these cops are not with the cuz today. I said no tacuacheando today. Damn, that's crazy. I wonder if my boy made it out. Get that cut, no, get my cut. Jeez, look at that shit. Let me zoom out. Look at that, all three right there. You guys can see all of them. Oh my god, I'm terrified to leave. I was telling my friends I would leave once they leave. I need to meet one of those. It's pretty scary. Are they? Yeah, is that? He's a cleaning it. The single cab.
He's cleaning.
Hey, whose truck is that? Is it for sale? It's about to get wrecked. I hope I don't end up getting pulled over for recording all of this. He came in here hot. Look at that. Look, my truck's all there. Oh, don't mind me, just a stock truck. Someone did a burnout. At least it was Pazzi. Don't get my cut. You need brakes, cut. I need to stop saying cut. Oh, he's going for them. He's going for them. He's like, get the fuck out my way. Get out my way, I'm trying to get these takuaches. Look at gassing it. Oh man, I'm terrified to leave. Earlier they were just turning their lights on immediately. As soon as they were behind a modified truck or a modified car, boom, lights were on you. That truck's dope. Let's see this. I want to see this. I should have recorded earlier, guys. It was crazy, pulling people left and right. Oh shit, they just burned out. Look, look. Oh shit! You're gassing it. That guy's crazy for doing that. Alright, yeah, maybe I should leave before I'm the last one here and all the cops are free. Oh man, I am terrified. Not right here, hell no. See ya. I'm scared. Limpiando el cut, you know what I'm saying? Oh, what? That's in 2019? Damn, they even got the undercover trucks out here pulling people over. Yo, what's up, guys? So I made it home safe without getting pulled over, leaving the meet. But anyways, it was a cool meet. First meet of 2020, obviously. I hope everybody had a happy new year. Before heading out, I was watching Instagram stories of people getting pulled over, and I was like, damn. And then I found out that Lodi PD was there, obviously, and the meet was in Lodi, and Stockton PD was there. So they were pulling people over left and right. It was ridiculous. I didn't record all of it, but people were literally getting pulled over just as soon as they were coming in. I'm happy I didn't get pulled over because I just put long tubes on this truck on New Year's Eve. So literally a few days ago. And I was like, oh my god, maybe I should not even go to the meet once I saw that people were getting pulled over on Instagram. But anyways, it was a cool meet. Got some good footage. Hope you guys like this video. I just finished editing it and I was like, I need to do a little outro for you guys. So my truck's lowered, obviously, so I'm gonna make a whole separate video on that. I already have footage, but I'll go ahead and upload this now. My damn headlights got water in them. I went to a new car wash here in town and somehow squirted water in them, but whatever. Enough of that. The meet was super cool. It was chill. I haven't gone to a meet in a really long time. I don't really go to meets. But yeah, here's the truck. I'm really cold right now, that's why you guys see that. But anyways, what was I gonna say? Yeah, the cops were not happy. They even had the chopper out. That's a complete waste. They probably thought that a sideshow was gonna happen, but it was literally just a meet. But obviously me, I had to go have some fun. Check it out. I did this after the meet. I went to Mexico. No, actually I went to Iran and I went and had some fun out there. Yeah, these were not meant. I did not want to burn out on these. These had good tires all around, but can't do nothing about that now. I'll post a video of that another day. But yeah, I just wanted to say that the meet was cool. A lot of Takuacheando activities, a lot of Edgars, a lot of cuz. But yeah, what was I gonna say? Yeah, it was a cool little meet. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of content. I've never really vlogged per se. It was kind of mostly raw footage of just driving around, getting some of the trucks, some of the cars. But I hope you guys liked that. If you did, definitely comment down below if I should keep making videos like this. So yeah, this is the truck as of right now. What is it? Today's January 3rd. Oh no, 4th now. It's midnight. But yeah, I'm gonna upload this video right now. Hope you guys liked it. Hope I'm not forgetting anything. I'm just so happy I didn't get pulled over, because they were popping people's hoods. People were getting state reffed. So I was like, oh, these cops are not happy. But yeah, I'll post a video of that another day. There's a little walk around real quick. But yeah, they were just pulling people over for tinted windows, modified exhaust. It was crazy. Like, it was just crazy. But I hope I'm not repeating. I think I'm repeating the same thing over and over. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I'm trying to upload more on YouTube this year. Trying to take it a little bit more serious. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, see ya.